This week, we're going to revisit frequency charts. Remember, frequency charts are just another way to organize your data. Okay, so the table below shows us some distance run in 1 hour by 16 different participants during a charity race. So we're going to use this data to create a frequency chart. Okay, so what is this actually showing? It's showing us the total distance run in 1 hour. So first of all, our chart is missing headings. So we need our distance, okay, because that's what they are measuring, and they're measuring it in kilometers, okay? And then remember, a frequency chart has tallies, and then they give you the number like in standard form, just the number, and that will give you your frequency. What's cool about this data that I like is we have decimal numbers. So I'm excited about that. So first, we got to figure out the organized way we want to do it. Greatest to least, least to greatest, and most frequency charts are least to greatest. So I would look at those whole numbers first. So let's see, 12, here's a 5, 7, 8, 6, 7. All right, so I see that 5 is the least whole number. So we have our distance is 5 and 43 hundredths of a kilometer. And I cross it out as I do it. So I know that I've already used that number. And that was only used once, okay? So I only have it one time. So how frequently? Just once. So let's see. Then I have, here's a 7. I'm just looking at whole. Oh, here's a 6. All right, so the next whole number is 6 and 19 hundredths. So here's 1. Here's another 6 and 19 hundredths. There's 2. So it looks like 2 and 2. Two participants ran it in that distance. Okay, so let's see if we have any 7s. Here's a 7, 7 and 38 hundredths. Here's another 7 and 38 hundredths. So I have 7 and 38 hundredths, and it's on there 1, 2 times. So twice. Let's see if we have any 8s. Here's a 9. Here's an 8. I'm just looking at those whole numbers. All right, so next one looks like there's 8 and 4 hundredths, and it's on there once, and it's on there twice. So frequently, twice. Then here's a 9. I'm looking at just whole numbers. So here's 9. All right. So 9 and 6 hundredths is 1, 2 times. So twice. Then it looks like we have 10. Our next one would be 10 and 9 tenths. It's on there 1, 2, 3 times. Notice how I'm marking them out so I can see if I skip anything at the end. So it's on there 3 times. And it looks like my last digit that they ran was 12 and 4 hundredths. And they did that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what your completed frequency chart would look like. Okay, we're going to use this chart, and I'm going to post you guys some questions to answer about this.